Hello, it's Kathy, the art teacher. Today's drawing video is about how to draw a cornucopia. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Over the years, it has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Also, please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's in the corner. It really does help me make more of these. Now here's an easy way to draw this symbol of plenty that is full of pumpkins, flowers, and more. This project is a good example of how lines can add dimension to a drawing. The basket lines help create a round horn shape, and the pumpkin lines help make it look 3D too. Add in lots of fall color, and you have the makings of a really lovely drawing. Let's get started. The supplies you're going to need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, eraser, black marker, and crayons. And if you'd like, you can also download this matching PDF tutorial from my website. Before you begin your drawing, it really helps to first make some guidelines on your paper. By folding and creasing your paper in half in both directions, you'll have guidelines that match my tutorial, which really help as you draw each step. Step number 1. Draw a large oval slightly to the right on your paper. If you'd like help with this, there's an oval template on page 3 of my download that you can trace. It will help younger artists get off to a good start too. Now draw another oval that is a little bit bigger. I'm going to start with the right side first. And then add a matching left side. Step number 2. Draw the horn shape that extends to the right. Now go back and add the inside curved lines that make it look so dimensional. Step number 3. To draw a pumpkin in the opening, start with the right half of an oval, and then add a matching left side. Now erase the lines inside the pumpkin so it looks like it's in front. Step number 4. Now draw a pumpkin stem near the top. Then erase the line inside so the shapes don't get too confusing. Draw the curved lines of the pumpkin that extend from the stem. Oops, don't forget to erase those basket lines near the bottom like I almost did. Step number 5. Now start the smaller pumpkin on the left with an oval. Then erase the lines inside that oval so it looks like it's in front. Now add a stem and lines that are extending out from the stem. You can erase the inside lines to make this smaller pumpkin look like it's in front of the bigger one. Step number 6. Now start a flower on the left with a squiggly center and a row of petals. Then fill it out with another row of petals to make it look like a sunflower. Step number 7. Draw the outer shape of a pumpkin behind the flower, and then erase that line inside. Now add the stem and lines to this pumpkin as well. Draw an apple somewhere on the right side, and erase any extra lines inside it if it's overlapping something. Step number 8. Now you can add some leaves and acorns sprinkled around the apple. And I think I may add a few more. And finally, a horizon line is needed in the background. Step number 9. Okay, the drawing is finally done. Now it's time to trace everything with a black marker. As always, work slowly, especially around all those small details. And one more thing I almost overlooked. The opening oval of the basket is missing a little bit of texture. Drawing some matching curves inside will make it look more like a woven basket. And these lines need to be traced with a black marker too. When the tracing is done, it's a great time to go over it with an eraser to get rid of any extra pencil lines that are still showing. And now it is time to color. I found a nice gold crayon for my basket. I'll be sure to color the inside of the basket as well too. Next come the orange pumpkins. All three of them, of course. And all of their green stems. I want my small sunflower to be brown and yellow. The apple on the right gets some red color. And the extra leaves some yellow. Those little acorns are, of course, brown. And the bottom of the background, I'm going to color a grassy green. As always, work carefully to get a nice solid color. I'm going to color the top of my background a sky blue. But you can, of course, use whatever color you like. And there you have it. This drawing is done. I love the layering of one pumpkin in front of another and then the basket. It really adds up to a bountiful looking drawing, which I believe is the whole point of drawing a cornucopia. Hey, thanks so much for following along with me, and I hope you've enjoyed this drawing video tutorial. I have even more drawing video tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a pumpkin and how to draw leaves. I hope you try them out too. See you next time.